Hello everyone, and thank you for coming out to our first ever 4-color film club.
We hope you have a great time tonight. Steve couldn't be here. He was using his cell phone in the movies yesterday and has been sentenced to life in the ISO cubes.
He has been thoroughly judged.
Thoroughly.
Thoroughly.
So remember, silence your cell phones. Turn them off. No text, none of that stuff in here because you don't want to end up in those ISO cubes because the toilet is like 2 feet from your bed.
It's not a good time. Steve can tell you if he ever gets out. Good behavior.
Yes. And now we have a very exclusive message from a very important person.
Hi guys, my name is Carlos Ezquerra and I am the Dredd designer and co-creator. Everything started exactly 40 years ago in 1977 when the magazine 2000 AD was created. I was asked to do a script from John Wagner about a New York cop, judge, and jury in the LA future, dressed in black and driving a motorbike. I went mad and just read appear as it is now, a very distinctive cop, judge, jury, and executioner, and maybe as John Wagner said when saw it the first time, a bloody Spanish pirate. Unfortunately, what in the 70s was science fiction today is a good reality. But anyway, he's been portrayed in two different films. One by Sylvester Stallone in 1985, expensive, visually very pretty, but not too much to do with the character. We got Dredd from 2012, a far more modest one, but more real to the true Judge Dredd character. In fact, it could be called One Day in the Life of Judge Dredd. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed and cheers.